Hi all, welcome to Sahara IAS. In this class, we will be seeing an important concept in percentage, that is how to convert fraction to percentage and how can we convert percentage to fraction. So there is a table. Before going to that table, I will be explaining the basic concept. So as we know that percentage or percent simply means divide by 100. Suppose if I am saying 57%, it means that I need to divide 57 by 100. Now I want the, let's say I want the value of 37.5%. This simply means 37.5 divided by 100. But cancel this, I need to cancel this and I need to get the fractional value. Instead of doing that, what we can do is 37.5%, I can write it as 37.5%. 37.5%, this is in improper fraction, sorry, this is in mixed fraction. I need to convert it into improper fraction. So how can I convert this into improper fraction? This can be written as 37 into 2 plus 1 divided by 2 whole percentage. 37 into 2 is 74. 74 plus 1 is 75. So it will be 75 by 2 percentage. And as we just discussed that percentage symbol simply means divided by 100, I can also write this as 75 by 2 whole divided by 100. Now any number can be written as number divided by 1. So I can also write this as 75 by 2 divided by 100 by 1. Now in order to convert this division into multiplication, I can write this as 75 by 2 into 100 by 1. If I take the reciprocal, it will become 1 by 100. Now if we simplify this, we will be getting, this is 25 3s and this is 25 4s. So 3 into 1 is 3 divided by 2 into 4 is 8. So answer for this question is 3 by 8. So that means 37.5% can be written in the fractional format as 3 by 8. And this is the conversion of percentage to fraction. Now let me check how to reverse convert, that is from fraction to percentage. Fraction to percentage is very easy. Let me take the same example, that is 37.5%. We got it as 3 by 8. Now let me understand how will I get 37.5% from 3 by 8. Consider the fraction, that is 3 by 8. Simply multiply it by 100. Now this will become 300 by 8. If I start dividing 300 by 8, I can write this as 8 3s are 24. I will get 6 as the carryover. Then I can take this 0. Then I will get 60. So 7s are 56. Then I will get 4. As this is less than 8, I will put a point here and take 0. And then 5s are 40. So I am getting, when I divide 300 by 8, I am getting 37.5. So this value is 37.5%. So this is how you will be converting from fraction to percentage and percentage to fraction. Hope both the conversions are clear. But in exam, we will not be having so much of time to do all these steps. So what we do is, we will just remember the values of some standard percentages. The standard percentages are like this. 1 is nothing but 100%. So whenever you get 1 as a value, you can directly write it as 100%. Similarly, 2 can be written as 200%. 3 can be written as 300%. And n can be written as n 100%. Then if I consider 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is nothing but half, and in percentage wise I can represent half as 50%. So this can be written as 1 by 2 is 50%. Then 1 by 3, 1 by 3 will be 1/3. 1/3 in terms of percentage is 33.33%. This 33.33%, they can also write it in the improper fraction format as 33 1/3%. Then 1 by 4, 1 by 4, as we know this is quarter, and in percentage quarter is nothing but 25%. Then 1 by 5 will be 20%. Then coming to the next one, 1 by 6 is 16.66%. This can also be written as 16 2/3%. Then 1 by 7 is 14.28%. Then coming to next one, that is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 will be 12.5%. Then 1 by 9 will be equal to 11.11%. Similarly, for 1 by 10, I will get 10%. So value of 1 by 10 will be 10%. Similarly, we can continue this till 1 by 20, that is like 1 by 11 value is 9.09%, then 1 by 12 value is 8.33%. This 8.33% can also be written as 8 1 by 3%, then 1 by 13 is 7.69%. Now the question is, should we remember all these values? Yes, we can remember these values. If we remember these values, then it will be easy for me to solve most of the questions in percentage, and also these concepts can be used in profit and loss. It can be used in ratios, ratio proportion, then it can be used in simple interest, compound interest, and most importantly, all these concepts can be used in simplifications and data interpretation. Then coming to 1 by 14, 1 by 14 is half of 1 by 7 if we observe here. So half of 14 is 7 and half of 0.28 is 1/4. So answer will be 7.14%. Then 1 by 15 will be 6.66%. This 6.66% can also be written as 62 by 3%. Then coming to the next one, 1 by 16. 1 by 16 value we have as 6.25%. 6.25% can also be written as 6 1 by 4%, because 0.25 is nothing but 1 by 4. As we see here, 1 by 4 is 25%. So 1 by 4 in decimal format we can write it as 0.25. So I can write it as 6 1 by 4%. Then coming to 1 by 17, 1 by 17 is we have 5.88%. Then we have 1 by 18. 1 by 18 is very easy. It is recurring 555. We can remember this as recurring 555. That is 5.55%. Then coming to 1 by 19, we have 1 by 19 value as 5.26%. Sometimes approximately we can also consider this as 5.25%, but exactly it will be 5.26, and it is again non-ending. It will be going on like this, 5.26. Then coming to 1 by 20. 1 by 20 value, it is 5%, because 1 by 20 is half of 1 by 10 and 1 by 10 is 10%. So 1 by 20 will be half of that, that is 5%. Then after this, we can also note down as 1 by 25, which is 4%. Then 1 by 50, which is 2%. And finally 1 by 100, which is 1%. So these are the standard percentage values that we should be knowing in order to start with the percentage chapter. If we know this, most of our calculations will be easier. And then we can extend this. As we see here, 37.5% is 3 by 8. We can still extend this as like, as we know that 1 by 3 is 33.33%. I can say 2 by 3 is double of that, that is 66.66%. And 3 by 3 will be triple of that, that is 99.99%. And this is nothing but 100%. Because as we know, 3 by 3 is 1 and 1 value is 100%. Then coming to 1 by 4, 1 by 4 is 25%. And 2 by 4 if we see, this is 50%. As we know that 2 by 4, if we cancel this, we will again get 1 by 2. 1 by 2 value is already known to us, that is 50%. Then 3 by 4 is 3 times of 25, which is 75%. Similarly, we can extend this table for each and every fraction, like 1 by 5 is equal to 20%. This is already given. Then 2 by 5 is double of that, 20, that is 40%. Then 3 by 5 will be triple of 20%, that is 60%. 4 by 5 will be 4 times of that, that is 80%. 5 by 5 we need not have to know this, because 5 by 5 is 1 and 1 is 100%. Then coming to 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is 16.66%. Then 2 by 6 if we see, 2 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 3. 1 by 3 value is 33.33%. It is already given in the table. Then when we come to 3 by 6, when we come to 3 by 6, 3 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 50%. Next, 4 by 6. 4 by 6 is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 value is already given to you, that is 66.66%. Then coming to 5 by 6. 5 by 6 value you should be knowing, it is 83.33%. Then for 1 by 7, you need to remember this fraction, 0.14287. Now how to write 1 by 7? Please remember this. You need to remember this number 0.142857. For 1 by 7, start with the lowest number, that is 1, and write 4 number, that is 14.28. Similarly, 2 by 7, start with the second highest number, that is 2. So you need to write it as 28.57. Next, 3 by 7, start with the third highest number. Here the third highest number is 4. So write the 4 numbers, that is 42.85. All these are percentage values. Then 4 by 7, the fourth highest number here is 5. But you need to continue this, that is 142857, again 142857, and so on. So if I start from 5, I will be getting 57.14%. Then coming to 5 by 7, the next highest number is 7, so it will be 71.42. Then 6 by 7, next highest number is 8, so it will be 85.71. This is how we can remember the values of 1 by 7. Coming to 1 by 8. 1 by 8 again is an important fraction. 1 by 8 is 12.5%, and 2 by 8 is nothing but 1 by 4. We already know the value as 25%, so I will not be repeating that here. Then 3 by 8 is 3 times of 12.5, that is 37.5%. Then 4 by 8 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 value is already known, that is 50%. Then coming to 5 by 8. 5 by 8 is 5 times of 12.5, which is 62.5%. Then 6 by 8 is 3 by 4. 3 by 4, 75% is already known. Then coming to 7 by 8, 7 by 8 value will be 87.5%. So this is how you can extend the table for each and every number. For 1 by 9, 1 by 9 is very easy. 1 by 9 is 11.11%. Similarly, 2 by 9 is 22.22%. Then 3 by 9 will be 33.33%. If we observe here, 33 by 9 is nothing but 1 by 3. If I cancel 3 by 9, I will again get 1 by 3, and 1 by 3 value was also 33.33%. Then 4 by 9 will be 44.44%. 5 by 9 will be 55.55%. 6 by 9 will be 66.66%. But if we observe again here, 6 by 9, if I simplify this, I will be getting 2 by 3. Then 7 by 9 value will be 77.77%. 8 by 9 value will be 88.88%. Then 9 by 9 value will be 99.99%, which is nothing but 100%. And even if we cancel 9 by 9, it is 1, and 1 is always 100%. So this is the small introduction how to convert from fraction to decimal. Fraction to decimal, again decimal to fraction, then fraction to percentage, percentage to fraction. To percentage to decimal is very easy. Suppose if I have 12.5%, 50%, just shift decimal toward this side, you will get this as 0.125. Similarly, if I want 16.66% in terms of decimal, just shift the decimal places 2 points, so you will get it as 0.1666. If I want 1 by 9, that is 11.11%, if I shift the decimal 2 places, I will get 0.1111. So getting the decimal values from the percentage is not a big issue. Just shift the decimal towards the left side by 2 places, you will get the decimal values. Similarly, if I have like this 0.2346, something like this. Now how will you get the percentage value from this one? Shift the decimal towards the right for 2 places. It will be 23.46. So from percentage, if you shift towards the left, you will get the decimal. From the decimal, if you shift towards the this one right, you will get the percentage. So this is very easy. Then coming to the fractional conversion, from percentage to fraction, if you observe during the introduction, I just divided the number by 100. In order to get the fractional value from the percentage value, I am dividing by 100, and in order to get the percentage value from the fraction, I am multiplying by 100. So in order to get the percentage from percentage value, in order to get the fractional value, you should just divide it by 100, and in order to get percentage value from the fractional value, you need to multiply by 100. So these are all the basic concepts that we should be knowing before starting the percentage chapter. So this is all for this class. Thank you.